So hello everyone, my name is Uche Thompson and I'm a Celestian, born and bred. As we approach my birthday for this year, I wanted to start up something new on my social media timeline, which is bringing to you guys what Celestia is all about. So from time to time I'll be posting a video of our hymns, which are very melodious, spiritual, and resonates with the soul. I love them so much, and it's kept most part of me going. And most times when I'm passing through life struggles just like everyone else. Today I'm going to be playing you from our hymn book, Celestial Hymn Book 541, which is a song for forgiveness of sins, and I'd like you to enjoy this. Because of sins, His grace of the Lord that has found me. He died for me on the cross. Thy grace of thy glorious King is great. Grace of the Lord that has found me. He died for me on the cross. Thy grace of thy glorious King is great. Hallelujah, His grace of the Lord that has found me. He died for me on thy cross. Thy grace of thy glorious King. Thank you for watching. I'll be bringing more of this to this platform, and I hope you guys will enjoy with me. Thank you and God bless. Bye-bye.